Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Leila. If you are new here and you like the content of our channel, please don't forget to subscribe or click the notification bell so that you will be notified for our new updates. Today is another cooking episode and we are going to make graham balls. Here are the ingredients: 3 cups crushed graham crackers, 1 cup condensed milk, medium-sized marshmallows, and toppings of your choice. For the procedure, in a big bowl, combine 1 cup of crushed graham crackers and 1 cup of condensed milk. Mix well. Add another cup of crushed graham crackers until you get the perfect consistency that is not too sticky. Then get a marshmallow and cover it with the mixture. Form it into a bowl and coat it with your preferred breading. You can use crushed graham crackers, sprinkles, crushed nuts, or Rice Krispies. Carefully arrange it in a plate, cover it with a cling wrap, and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then, your graham balls are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Till next time. Bye!